Hello and welcome to today's video, and I am going to be showing you how to apply some new false nails that I've got. So I'm working with a company called Renegade Nails, and they have very kindly gifted me a box of goodies, namely my own set of customised, personalised nails. So excited to put these on, they're absolutely beautiful. I've got a massive selection here of these gorgeous coffin sort of pinky nudie coloured nails with some accent nails here which have got like a gold stripe down them. So just a little bit about the brand before we get onto the video of putting them actually on. So Reagan is a 23-year-old young lady who during the last lockdown couldn't get her own nails redone, wore acrylics, and that's where the company was born, the business was born. She decided to do her own, and now she's launched her own range of nails. So I'll just quickly talk you through what you get in the packs and the sort of costs that we've got. So depending on what you want to go for, she does either pre-coloured nails, which you can choose the colour of, or you can have custom ones, which I've gone for. What I'll do, I'll put all the prices in the description box down below because there's quite a lot of different details depending on what you want. And in the box you get lots of different goodies. You get a free glass nail file. You can buy, if you want, she does two versions of nail sizing. There's either a little diagram that you can just sort of measure your own, or for £2.50, which then gets knocked off your bill if you then decide to go to buy some nails from her, you can buy a sizing kit, and you've got all little samples of nails on there with numbers, and you peel them off to work out what your own sizes are. So that's what I'm going to do to start with. So what I've done, I've just taken a couple of these nails off and then tried them on my fingers. I'll just quickly show you what you're supposed to do. And how you measure your own nails is you put the nail, you just push it back into the nail bed where it feels comfortable and covers the nail, and then you check either side to make sure that you can't see your own nail. So I know that one there fits nicely. And then the bigger one, the thumbnail, as you can see, that just fits nicely. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's got to feel comfortable. If it feels like it's digging in a little bit either side, that means it's too big. But these are all a lovely perfect fit. So what I'll do now is I'll take note of those numbers and I will send them to Reagan, so next time I have some more nails she knows exactly what wants to send me. And what we're going to do is, with regards to a discount, she's going to give you a 10% discount, quoting Belinda 10, and also within that you get the free sizing kit that's worth £2.50 as well. So next on to preparing the nails. Within your box you will get one of these instruction cards, and it tells you exactly step by step on what to do. So we've already done number one, just measuring up the nails. Second is to file the nails the same length. So within your box you'll get a free nail file. Glass nail files are absolutely brilliant, and what you do, which I've already done, is just file your nails down all to the same length. And then next, using the cuticle stick, you push all of your cuticles back. If you're finding any of these are being a little bit stubborn, what you could do is actually use a cuticle oil or moisturiser and just put it on the nail bed, leave it for a little while, and then it'll push back a little bit easier. But then of course you need to make sure that's removed off the nail, because you need to have clean nails before you apply the false nails. So I've already done all of mine, but it's just a simple push them back. And then each pack comes with an alcohol cleansing wipe. So what we're going to do now is clean off any, I've actually washed my hands already, but clean off any sort of dust or skin that's come off whilst you've been removing your cuticles. And then what we're going to do as well, just to create sort of a surface for the glue or the sticky tabs to stick to, you're just going to buff all your nails just very gently using the nail file, and then concentrating on around the cuticle again as well, just to get rid of any stubborn bits of skin that you haven't been able to push back. And then using the second alcohol wipe, we're going to just clean them up again to get rid of any of that those loose bits of nail and skin that have come off in that second process. So next we're going to actually apply the nails, and there's two different options. You can either use the sticky tabs that are included in the pack. So if you're not familiar with the sticky tabs, they're just like a double-sided sort of tab that you peel off, put on your nail, very sticky, and then peel the other side off so it goes actually onto your nail. These are really good. These won't damage your nails as much as the normal glue will, and also it makes the nails reusable as well, because you can just peel them off the back, and taking them off your fingers is actually a lot easier using these. The only thing is they don't stick quite as well as with the glue, so that's why I'm going to go for the brush on glue. So as I said, the sticky tabs are included within the price, within your bundle, but she can't post out glue because Royal Mail won't let her do that. You're not allowed to post hazardous substances through the post, so you'll need to buy that yourself if you're going to use glue. I got that from Superdrug for about $2.99, and it lasts for ages. So these are all the lovely nails that Reagan sent me. Your boxes won't have as many as this in. She's been very generous and sent me quite a lot there. So you can either buy boxes of 10 or 20 with some spares, and what we've gone for there is a pink with an option at the bottom of an accent nail. So the next step will be to take all these nails off, and each of the nails has got a number on the back. So that's how I will now work out from the sizing kit that I've just used. I'll lay them out in the numbers that fit my nails. So these are all the corresponding nails, and then I've picked out the two accents which I'm going to wear if I decide on that one. So let's start now with applying it. So there's two ways you can do this. You can either paint your own nail and stick the false nail on the top, or put a little blob on your own nail and a little blob on the false nail, and then when it connects then it will set. I prefer to paint my own nail. I've tried a few different things, and this for me is how it works best. So starting with my little finger, I will paint that as if I'm just putting normal nail varnish on. I do find the one with the brush so much easier to use than the tubes. It's just getting too much of a mess. So I give it a nice decent coat, not too much because you don't want it to sort of come out of the sides. So there we go. And then you place the nail as close to or just into the nail bed. Make sure it's nice and straight. Just check to make sure before you put any pressure on. And then once you know it's in place correctly, that one just needs moving around a little bit, you just push it down and then hold that for about 30 seconds. So nail one is now done. So let's carry on and do the rest. So as I say, just paint the whole nail like you would put on nail polish, just to make sure it's completely covered but not too saturated. And then you pick the corresponding nail, pop it as close to your nail bed as you can get. Put a little bit of pressure on just to hold it in place. Yep, that looks nice and neat and straight. And now apply pressure for about 30 seconds. And then it'll be stuck. So Reagan offers all different types of shapes of nails and different lengths, sort of short, medium, long, coffin, rounded, whatever you want she can do for you. And you can either choose the colours from her colour collection, or you can just leave it to her. So Renegade Nails also offer this as well that you'll get in your pack, which is a loyalty card. And what she'll do each time you order some nails, you'll get given a sticker that you can then put on the card. And then once that's full, you can get 50% off your next order, which, if you're going for a big order, that is a lot of money to save. I think that's a really good idea. And she tries to have everything as environmentally friendly as possible. That's why you get the glass file, because obviously you can reuse a glass file rather than throw away disposable. The packaging is all eco-friendly and recyclable. And hopefully if some of you lovely people order from her, this is going to be turning into sort of a monthly or bi-monthly collab with her. So I'll be able to show you some of her other designs as well. So there they are, all on, feeling very nice. I mustn't get my hands wet for about an hour. But yeah, absolutely really pleased with those. They look like real acrylics. They're really, really... I think because they've been painted, they've sort of got... They're hand painted, whereas the ones I buy from other places, I don't know how they do that, but they're not hand painted. So they tend to look a little bit plasticky, whereas these do look like proper acrylics, I think. So there they are, all finished. As I said on the video earlier, they feel pretty solid. Can't see any of those pinging off anytime soon. Absolutely delighted with those, and I was very lucky that I got such a selection to choose from to make sure that I got the right fitting ones. So yeah, I mean, she does recommend getting a sizing kit if you can, just to make sure you get the actual sizes that you need, and the boxes come in different sizes of nails. You either get 10 or 20, like I mentioned earlier. So thank you very much, Reagan, for working with me on this video, and I hope we can work together again in the future if some of you lovely lot purchase a set or two from her. I'll leave all the details down in the description box below with my discount code, what you get. Don't forget you get the free sizing kit as well as 10% discount. Her prices start from about £15 right up to, I think, 25, something like that, depending on how much you have done to the nails, how many colours, any sort of nail art, decal, all that sort of stuff. So maybe just pop her a message and I'm sure she'll answer any questions you have. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you're not already a subscriber, maybe you might want to hit the button and give me a big thumbs up. No thumbs down on this channel, please. So I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.